Here is a quick recipe for a vegetable and egg fried rice. You can cook it in a pan, but a wok is ideal to get that stir-fry aroma. Start by rinsing your rice 3 times before cooking it. This will wash off the starches and will prevent the grains from sticking together. After cooking steamed rice pretty much every day for a couple of decades, I don't need to measure it anymore, but the rice-to-water ratio is 1 cup of rice to 1 1/4 cups of water. Cook it in low heat for about 20 minutes. Let it sit covered for another 10 minutes to let excess steam escape and allow some time for the starches to settle. To start the stir-frying process, heat up your wok and add about 2 ounces of oil. Crack 2 whole eggs in there and scramble them. Add your veggies and toss them in the wok. If you use drier vegetables like carrots or broccoli, you might need to add a bit of water to cook them with steam. You can also add more cooking oil to give them a bit of a char. Once the veggies are fully cooked, add your steamed rice. Notice that some of it lumps up together. Use the back of your ladle to separate it. Toss it all around and keep separating it with your ladle. Add a little bit more oil to give the rice that stir-fry taste and aroma. Once most of the rice is separated, you can begin adding the seasoning. 1½ teaspoon chicken powder, 1½ teaspoon granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Toss it all in the wok to incorporate all the flavors together. Give it some color by adding ½ teaspoon of mushroom soy sauce. Toss it around in the wok for another minute to coat it all evenly. Turn off the heat and you are done with the rice. Go ahead and plate it and get your wok ready to fry 1 egg. Heat up your wok and add about 1 cup of oil. Crack your egg in there to fry it. Let it sit. Do not disturb the butter. Just bathe it with the oil. Once it is ready, it will separate from the wok on its own. Give it a quick flip. Strain out the oil and place the fried egg over your rice. Enjoy it with your favorite hot sauce. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy to replicate restaurant-style recipes.